Today I'm going to share my review of the GoShare Driver app, a platform that connects drivers with customers who need help with deliveries or moving. It's a mixed bag, but let's break it down. For drivers, there are definitely some positives. The biggest advantage is flexibility. You can work on your own schedule and pick up jobs when it suits you. The app itself is easy to use, with a straightforward interface that makes finding and accepting jobs simple. Many drivers also say the work can be fulfilling since you're helping people move, deliver, or haul items, and customers often show real gratitude. On top of that, there's income potential. Some drivers report making solid money, especially in high demand areas, and even treat it as running their own business. But there are also downsides. Competition for jobs can be intense. The system works on a first come, first served basis, meaning you have to respond instantly to notifications if you want to secure a job. Job availability also varies a lot. Some drivers say there just aren't enough gigs in their area. Plus, you'll need to cover the initial cost of a background check to get started. And while you can make good money, pay rates can be inconsistent, especially when you factor in travel time and fuel. For customers, GoShare is seen as reliable. It's a great on demand service for short notice deliveries or moving. Reviews highlight friendly, professional drivers and responsive customer service, which makes the overall experience smooth. Unique tip for drivers: keep your notifications on at all times and be ready to accept jobs instantly. Speed matters. Also, track your expenses carefully so you know if the pay is truly worth your time. Overall, GoShare is a solid option for both drivers and customers. But drivers should weigh the competitive job market and variable earnings before diving in. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe for more reviews.